Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you statistics. Let me tell you some basics about statistics. Statistics is nothing but the data what we collect. There are two types of data. One is ungrouped data and the other one is group data. Ungrouped data means if you collect the data in one number, for example like 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this we call it as ungrouped data. And you classify it into a group, say 0 to 10, 10 to 20, you classify into a group, then we call it as group data. Okay, here you are not classifying, it is just a data like 1, 2, 3 and so on, it goes on. So you are not classifying it into a group, so it is called as ungrouped data. Here you are classifying into a group, then we call it as group data. In group data, let me explain. Suppose let me take the first interval, that is 0 to 10. So what you write, the 0 to 10, 0 is nothing but your lower limit. 0 is nothing but your lower limit and 10 is upper limit. And the difference between upper limit and lower limit, the difference between upper limit and lower limit will give you the class interval. So here 10 minus 0 is 0, 0 will give you the class interval. Suppose say you have a data which you have collected, say 0, 5, 6, 10, 12 and you are asked to group it, and you are going to group it say from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, like 0 to 5, 5 to 10 and 10 to 15. Here when you group it from 0 to 5, 0, 5, this value you will not take because in the next interval you are having 5 which is your lower limit. In this you are having in upper limit and in this you are having it in a lower limit. So here you will just take 0 to 1, you will just take 1 as a to group it. The total number of between 0 to 5 is only 1 and from between 5 to 10 it is 2. See 5, 6, 10 you will not take, you will take it in the next level because that is in your lower limit. So dear children, just remember that whatever the data you get before your upper limit, you have to take only that. For example, suppose we had 9 here. Suppose say we had a 9 as a data. Then here it would have become 3 because our upper limit is 10. So before 10 it is 9. So our total numbers will be 3. So dear children, just remember that whenever we are grouping a data, we will group as per the interval we want to select and then you have to take the numbers which is just before the upper limit. You will not take upper limit's number because that will come as a lower limit in the next data, next group data. I am sure you have understood this.